showing you how to install interior light and the side lights for your Ford Fiesta Mark 7. So let's get straight into the video. So this is the interior light here. All you need to do is get a flat screwdriver, put it behind over here and push it down, and then you see what's happening next. Next you take the cover off. The bulb should be located up there. Then you just remove it like this, and like that. I'll be replacing it with one of these bulbs here. So I'll show you how it looks next. Now I've changed the bulb. You can see that's the colour there. Now let's put the cover back and see how it looks. That's how it looks. Like that. Now let's change the side lights. If you want to change the side lights, you need to use a flat screwdriver to remove this screw, that screw, and you need to remove this clip here. Once you remove the two screws and the clip, now you have to remove this plug here. Next step is put your headlight upside down, move this like so, and the side light is over there. You need to pull it out and then it'll be there, and you take the bulb out and replace it. Once you took it out, I've already replaced the bulb. All you need to do is push it back in where it goes, like so, there. Put the cover back on, put the headlight back, not fully in, and push the plug in and then test it, see if it works. And there, see if it's working. Now let me change the other one, see how it looks. Now just put the two screws in and clip in, and I'll see how mine looks. And that's how it looks. That's the finished product. Make sure to like and subscribe for more car content. I'll see you in the next video.